Need a trusted vehicle specialist in Costa Mesa? I'm Tony Perez with Eurocar Doctor, right here on Harbor Boulevard, just off the 405 freeway. We specialize in European vehicles and understand the level of care, diagnostics, and precision that they require. Our factory-trained master technicians use advanced diagnostic tools, original manufacturer parts, and the right service procedures to get your vehicle fixed properly the first time. We also make service very convenient with the same-day appointments, when available, complimentary transportation, loaner cars for extended repairs, and a 5-year nationwide warranty. So if you're in Costa Mesa or anywhere nearby, schedule online or call us today.